Alright, so what's being done right now is I am gonna hook up the Strix and take off the Kingpin. Gotta turn the power supply off, obviously. 3 power cables, it's pretty simple. I have not flashed the 1000-watt BIOS on this Kingpin. I was looking up how to do it properly. It's not that bad. What I want to know is, before I fully commit, how loud is 520 watts on a Strix 90, which can do 500, it can do 480 watts, not 520, but what I'm curious is if it pulls more, how loud is it? I just want to know how loud it is versus a 360 rad. This is a 360 rad, but the pump on the Kingpin's really loud, but obviously you can dissipate a lot more heat, so the fans are basically silent, to be honest. That's the pro to that. Just trying to make sure it's cooled down when I place it. Backplate's still hot, so I'll probably place it on its front gently. We're good. Yes, open this up. Flaps. Doesn't matter what side I opened it from. I don't think it matters. I really don't remember. Okay. Okay, 1 second. I don't like messing up the boxes because I kind of the Asus is my favorite card out of all of these. I've already explained probably 900 times why it is. But yeah, let's open this up. Is it on the camera? Yeah, you can barely see it, but it's fine. Yeah, the Strix is a beaut, absolute beaut. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna put this back into the front, and I only need access to 1 HDMI, 1 display port. Put that back in there, and the rest looks good. Yeah, dude, I love this card. Yeah, Strix is definitely my favorite card. Dude, look at this shroud. Tell me that's not beautiful. I know they make it in white. I wasn't able to get a white Strix, but it is the same thing, just in white. And there is a Gundam Strix, so that's pretty dope. But yeah. Alright, let me just mount those. I'll close up the box and everything. I'm gonna set you free. I can't wait for NVIDIA to release their version of bar, so you can use CAM on Z490. I know it should be compatible with, to be honest, it should be compatible with the 9900K, but I don't know if they're going to be adding it to those older BIOSes. But so far, if you are curious and asking, yeah, the Intel performs like Intel. I'm happy, honestly. When I loaded up Cyberpunk just now at 4K, the FPS is the same, with Ryzen, but it just doesn't feel the same. It hitches and shit, man. It's almost the same, but when you're going around Windows and shit, dude, the Zen shit isn't perfect. Not yet. It's almost there. I'm really I don't want to wish that it's broken, and I don't feel oh man, would I go back to it and drive 100 miles to return this Intel PC? No, I'm still gonna switch over to Intel. But dude, they're really close, man. They're really close. If they can fix that latency bullshit I'm talking about, anybody who runs a 5.2 gigahertz Intel shit, you know what I'm talking about. For those other people that are oh, I just need something at 65 watts and I don't care, I'm used to playing on a laptop, you don't know better. But for the people that run 5.2 gigahertz, Intel overclocked everything, and you overclock ring bus, the cache ratio, you know what I'm talking about, right? You have a custom loop and everything. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Those people. The other people, you don't know what I'm talking about. It doesn't matter to you. You never even felt it. People that have felt it. It's almost there. It's almost on that level, but it's not there yet. Alright, so that's the Strix on there. Let me just let me make sure this is on the OC BIOS and power cables are plugged in. The HDMI, 2 seconds. HDMI goes in the other way. That is peculiar. And then the display port. Yeah, but if I had to be honest, I'm probably most likely gonna end up using the Strix and keep this one. After I'm done with all these tests, I really do like the Strix, man. I really do. And they did the best, man. They did the best this time. They really did a good job. I like it on air. Alright, whatever. Let's turn this on. There is the RGB. We are in the overclock BIOS. Just if anybody cares, the RGB on the CPU and the RGB on the GPU for the Corsair pump, and they match pretty well, Yeah, and then over here, this is what fans are not spinning. It is on the overclocked BIOS, so that is weird. So right now I loaded up the EVGA Precision X, and clearly you can see the fan RPMs of the Strix are 100%, which is not what we would want. You know, we want fan control, so calm down. I flashed the GPU tweak too, you know, waiting for the fans to calm down. I have to restart the computer for GPU tweak 2 to load, so alright, restart the computer. Z490 definitely boots faster in Ryzen. Everything's just like a smidge more just optimized, man. Just like a smidge, but I don't have to wait for anything. The only thing that sucks about this is, remember, you need like a 360 AIO if you want like max overclock and stuff. Alright, dude, I really need these fans to shut up. Hold up, let me stop having precision X1 boot at load. So let's close that application because this thing keeps spazzing out and it keeps, okay, dude, stop. All right, I have GPU tweak open, and when I go to GPU Z, it loads it. Should tell me my power limit here, right? Does GPU Z and Asus tell you that or nah? Whatever, I'll just load up my own GPU Z, whatever. Should give me the BIOS information. I should be in the overclock BIOS setting. Advanced. The hell, man? 123%. Yeah, I get it, but where's the voltage? Whatever. It should say it, but fine, it didn't say it. I don't care. So we're gonna do max overclock myself. Power detect on. Power detect. GPU flash red. If there's a power issue, whatever, there shouldn't be. Yeah, we're gonna give this thing max voltage. Memory, we're gonna try plus 500, so that's 20 gigabits per second. Power target 123, and GPU clock we're gonna try plus 140. If it can do this, I'd be so happy. Max. Oh shit, do I have to do it again? OC. Yeah, that looks good. Automatically start GPU tweak. Yep, and apply settings when you start. Yes, thank you. Let's see if I can load Cyberpunk on the 4K OLED. Got a controller, and now the loudest of the PC should be the pump on the 360 AIO. Kingpin, that pump on that AIO, super loud, man. Like, it's like ridiculous. Like, if you're not playing a game at 1,000 watts, like, the Kingpin's literally for overclocking, bro. Like, that's it. Otherwise, that shit is so loud for no reason. It's literally for overclocking. This, I guess I could set the pump to quiet, or, you know, you could still do things, man, but like, oof. Now this on load will get loud, obviously, but I won't hear it at that time. This is dead silent when you're at idle, so that's fantastic. Pump-wise, this pump is definitely louder than my other one. Anyway, let me just start this game. I'm gonna see if I crash. 1 second. Did I crash? Oh, Cyberpunk. It tried to boost to 2145, and the power limit of 480 watts couldn't handle it. I have no idea why the hell it does this. Fans must go to 100% if the BIOS crashes. I mean, the overclock crashes. Alright, so we're gonna try plus 130. Dude, my cousin can do... Man, bro. What the hell is up with these bins, bro? He got so lucky, bro. I just want a Kingpin level bin Strix, dude. I mean, I'm trying to push this also on a 480 watt. I haven't flashed the 520 watt BIOS on this. Then again, it's like, am I really going to be running 520 watts off an air-cooled GPU? Alright, right now it's holding 21 megahertz before it crashed. GPU 61 degrees Celsius. Obviously, this one doesn't have ITX sensors. Oh, dope, this shit crashed again. Oh, wow. Alright, we're going to try plus 120. I have really no idea how I got such a good bin. 2077. Going to try this one more time. Max voltage, max power target. Hold on 1 second. Let me just try to hear where this coil line's coming from. Is that the GPU or my... Alright, so yeah, I can hear the Strix's coil line, so it's dumping that heat off. It's air cooled. Cooler's doing a good job. Alright, let's see if I crash this time. Alright, we're at plus 120, same settings. Continue. Hopefully the performance overlay works on this one this time. I was gonna wait till I got my other case to do it. Wow, bro, no way. This shit crashed again? Wow, dude. What does that mean? I gotta lower it to plus 110 megahertz? Freaking crazy, dude. By default, the Kingpin also comes with a plus 60 megahertz boost out of the box, higher than the, what is that thing called? The Strix. So, wow. Dude, I think the only oh my god, English. I think the only option I have is literally just putting a Kingpin on a block and then just using it, or I gotta flash a higher power limit on one of these Strixes and put it in a loop and have my own pump, so then the loudest noise will be my pump, like a D5 pump or something. I wonder if I can get rid of the coil one on a Strix by putting it onto I should look that up. I'll ask my friend. Is this one gonna crash again too? Dude, it crashed again. Wow, crashed again. Nothing's changed. My BIOS for my CPU. We're doing plus 500 for the memory. Plus 500. GPU voltage. Power targets maxed out. Plus 100. Holy crap. Dude, if it crashes again, I'm actually kind of impressed. Shouldn't be crashing. I pulled up hardware info. Let me see, does this one actually pull up my info for the GPU on hardware info? Oh yeah, so the Kingpin hardware info, nothing was coming up. This time it came up. And power plan, I want my thing running at ultimate performance. 5.1 gigahertz all the time. If I'm gonna crash, I'm gonna crash. Warzone's finished installing, so that's good. I want to see what the 4K is so I remember what the Kingpin felt like. And load the Strix up. Shouldn't crash. It shouldn't crash at plus 100, dude. I'm pretty sure it can hold this. Yeah, I see it. 459 watts. It does it properly, unlike that EVGA shit for the Win 3 Ultra. Garbage, dude. Alright. Alright, don't crash, man. Alright, don't crash. Let's do it. Don't crash. Don't crash. Load a game. 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 Alright. Oh, Jesus. We're in a game. I guess I'll turn off the audio and we can just hear what this PC sounds like. So power limited wise, my GPU is pulling about 462 watts of power right now running around Cyberpunk. Obviously the GPU is air cooled, 466 watts. I'm just running around. It's so weird. They have like kids, but they're like midgets. They look like kids in this game. These arcade machines. These cans. Soda can machines. Dude, I crashed again. Wow, dude. It crashed again. We're gonna try, I guess, plus 90. Wow, dude. And we're gonna try Cyberpunk again. Nah, dude, my only answer is wow. Holy crap. I can't even use a Founders Edition after Kingpin, bro. After even a Strix, I guess the binning on this one's crap. My friend got one that had really bad binning. He got rid of that real fast. Alright, we'll try this again. What's the point of raising the power limit on something that has shit binning from the get-go? Alright, so I'll launch this again. The fans are on auto for the Strix. Gonna run around the same spot in Cyberpunk, do the same things. GPU is pulling 452 watts of power now. I mean, I don't get why maybe it needs more power for its, what is the clock it's holding? 67 degrees Celsius. Fan RPM is like 1900 RPMs. Where is the clock? I'm running around and I'm holding, my memory is, wow, dude, really? I'm running around in Cyberpunk and only holding like, dropped to 1980. I'm only holding like 2 gigahertz. I'm running around in Cyberpunk doing 2025, 2010, 2025, 2040, 2025. Wow, bro. I really need to flash a Kingpin BIOS on this just to maintain like 2.1 gigahertz in Cyberpunk at 4K. You actually needed a freaking Kingpin just to do 2.1 gigahertz and hold it in Cyberpunk. Wow. And I don't even have a good bin Kingpin. Well, that's disappointing. Bruh. It crashed again. Wow. Wow. And the GPU got to 70 degrees Celsius. Wow. What's resetting my power plan? Dude, this is crazy. Alright, we're gonna try this one more time, and I'm gonna set this to plus 120, and we're gonna set the fans 100% on the Strix. There's no way it's this shit. 100% fans plus 120, and now we're gonna load up Cyberpunk. Pull it from my Steam library. Okay. Windows. Attitude, I guess. Let's launch this one more time. Alright, I have hardware info open on my other monitor. Nah, dude, it crashed immediately again. 100% fans doesn't matter at all. Damn, dude. Nah, I didn't expect that. I made a big mistake. I should have never bought a Kingpin. Wow, I guess that's why people shunt mod and water block their cards, man. Now I get it. Wow, I thought you could like go back. Shit, dude. It's like a 2080. It's like a, wow, dude. It's like having a GTX 1080 and going to a 2060 Super. You're like, ah, that's okay. Like I can step down.
You know, 1080 Ti, 2070 Super, same thing, you know. 2080 Ti is like, you know, basically a 3070 now, you know. And it is a little bit more power efficient than, yeah, it is more power efficient than, yeah. No, I'm lying. 2080 Ti pulling like 520 watts is basically a 3080 of 4K. Damn, bro. You telling me I really can't go back? Wow, I really do have to flash the BIOS on this and water block it then. But then how am I supposed to do a test bench? Move the blocked card. I guess with quick disconnects, move the card to the other test bench. But then I have to build a loop on that one too. Or I just have to swap out the motherboard. Damn, dude. Wow. The Kingpin's the only thing with the AI already attached. I wouldn't have to do anything. Wow, dude. Didn't expect to be in this situation. Alright, we're gonna try this again. Plus 80 megahertz. We're just gonna set the fans to default because there's no point running it that hard. Wow, dude. That's pathetic. And this is a Strix? Dude, what the hell? Load, I get it. Night City, all blah 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 blah. I'm still leaving the audio off so you can hear all of the noise. Are the NFA12s, and this is the H150 RGB Pro XT, and that's running on the extreme profile. Power supply is on, you know, the auto fan profile, and the Strix is on an auto fan profile. Running around the same spot. Did not load up hardware info, so I cannot see what I am doing. Running around. Fan RPMs are 1400 right now. Rising 1500. Alright, I forget. I have to keep running around 4. But the GPU is pulling about 462 watts of power right now. 461. I'm just running around this populated area. Ray tracing on all that, obviously. And to be honest, I'm not even looking at the street. I'm just running around. I mean, it looks good. Where's the clock rate? Crazy. I'm running around only holding like 1995 megahertz, 1965, 1980. My GPU is 68 degrees Celsius. Wow. Crazy, dude. Wow. And this is a Strix. And the game crashed again. Wow, dude, that's actually kind of crazy. Alright, I guess we're gonna try something different. We're gonna take all the voltage off. And we're gonna see if that's causing an issue. And we're gonna see if I can maintain a plus 100 megahertz boost. Actually, no, screw it. We're gonna go back to plus 140. Leave voltage off. Maybe that's messing with something. Just power targets raised. We're gonna try loading up Call of Duty now. Warzone. Every 3090 should be able to do 20 gigabits per second memory. There are 21 gigabits per second memory modules, so yeah, we're loading this up. Warzone. I just want to see what happens when I run around. The thing I did yesterday was with the 5950X running around Warzone. Oh, beautiful. I forgot you have to install shaders, so I'm just wasting time here. Yeah, it's installing shaders. This is gonna take a little while. We're gonna do plus 70 megahertz, and it's probably gonna raise that voltage back up, dude. Wow. Alright, we're gonna try this one more time. What the fuck, bro? This card is garbage. I can't believe this. It can only do like plus 70 megahertz? What actual garbage, dude? What the heck? Alright, loading up multiplayer private match one more time. Audio is off so you can just hear the coil whine and the fan noise. Loudest part should be my CPU. This actually, in this stupid positioning, the highest I've had one core reach is 84 degrees Celsius. Considering 5.1 gigahertz all core, you know. If I delitted it, dude, if I direct died this, bro, I could get that down to like, you know, solid 14 degrees, you know. I'd be in the 70s right now. I could definitely do that. I'm honestly really glad I bought this Intel system, just because like I know that I have something to judge like Ryzen based off now. I know how far. Dude, they're close, man. They're really close. Alright, now I'm running around the map, trying to remember what it felt like to play COD. It's been so long. Alright, run this map. On my, alright, so 2055 running around, 2055 holding 2055. CPU utilization is like 40%. When I was on the 5950X playing COD running around the map, dude, it was like, I saw it hit 52% CPU utilization on that. Think about it, 52% CPU utilization on a 16 core. That means I'm already, you know, reaching that 9th core, you know, already filled up 8 cores. I'm going to that part of the map doing the same thing, running around this part. 44% it went to. Didn't go to 52%, 45, 41, 40, 43. Alright, it must be something different that it does with the Intel GPU core utilization, because I'm not getting it above, that's crazy actually. That is crazy. Yeah, I can't get it above like 42 in the same spot over here. 47, okay, that's what I'm trying to see. 43, I'll have to jump in like some ground war or something, or load up Warzone, really hammer this. But my 1%, my 99% FPS is, you know, that 189, 208, 231, 161, there it was. 151, 252, 257, 179, 292. My actual FPS running around right now, 314, 307, 315, 312, 324, 316, 321. GPU temperature 59 degrees Celsius, fan speed 1300 RPM, GPU power 300 watts, my bad. Voltage is 1.1. Yeah, but it holds 2055 pretty well. Yeah, it's holding 2055. Yeah, running around, it holds. Still not seeing higher CPU joules. I didn't reach 50. 42. Running around this map. 41. Come on, hit me with something big. You know what? Dude, Zen 3 could be a winner. Like, probably in... after all the bugs are fixed. Yeah, dude. I mean, Rocket Lake will be out, and I'll probably grab that because it's stable and works. You know, like, once those bugs are fixed, dude, it's good. If Zen 3 Plus is real, nah, dude. That's actually what's up. I mean, I have no faith in AMD not having bugs at launch anymore. This was my like Hail Mary. I sold everything for it, but no, I'm keeping this. And then if they fix their shit, then great. I'll test it out and buy it, whatever. But no, I'm if this is stable, I'm happy with this. I'm actually really happy with this Intel system. It works. Yeah, once Ryzen fixes all their stuff, yeah, I'd be happy to check it out. But for now, no. It's not my main system. I have no faith. USB bugs, the Giza, all that bullshit, dude. Man, I'm fine. Running around the map. I'll point it at the actual screen now, so you guys can look at it instead of, you know, just me saying numbers. Guess this position. That's the graph. Should have G-Sync on, and it shows the FPS I'm getting. And if you look to the right side, you can see the performance overlay. Hopefully that is visible. And I can put the audio down. Oh, that's really loud. My bad. Yeah, that's still kind of loud. Audio is from my OG CX, you know, speakers. Computer's on my desk, so all the wires are routed to the closet. So I can't really, you know, I'm waiting for that case to come in, and then I'll properly run, like, you know, all my tests and everything. And I can finally be done. I can finally just play, you know. But I am really glad that one piece of the puzzle has been solved. I have a CPU that works, man. When I play games, like, it feels good again. If you tuned Zen, man, if you tuned it properly, you properly tuned the voltages and you properly tuned the memory, dude, it can be this good. Now I get it. You have to, like, really tune it. But if you tune it, it works. Shit, dude, you have to tune it so much. I was ripping my hair out. I get it now. I get it. If I didn't have this as a baseline, you know, to compare. Yeah, GPU is just holding 59 degrees, 68 degrees Celsius. 1080p, so all it does is like 300-ish watts. But 2055, that's all this one can do. The Kingpin obviously would be holding like 2.1, obviously. If I had a good Kingpin, probably even more, but still not bad. Oh, CPU utilization at 49% there. We're gonna load an actual game, Warzone. 1 second. Alright, so it's searching for a ground war right now. Is that good? I know it's janky, dude. It is what it is. I'll resume it once it finds an actual game. Here's a cool class. Yeah, it's on the profile G-Sync Esports, whatever this is. That's why it looks all kind of like, you know, like it's got like some black equalizer mode on. Right now it says CPU utilization like 40%, 35%. Game started. After all, it is ground war. Can I get on this? Oh, it's stuttering like every 2 seconds. I am playing on Wi-Fi. The Ethernet cable is routed to my closet. 160 to... Alright, somebody should be like right behind me. Alright, we kept B. Close that door. We're capping D. Alright, 1 second. 57. Yeah, it's like 57, 58 degrees Celsius. Yeah, that's fine. Cyberpunk, it got hot, bro. Right now it's only pulling like 280 watts. That's why it's able to dissipate that heat. Oh, there's somebody right behind me in there. Yeah, but 1080p, it's only really pulling, it's really, yeah, 300 watts. Oh, bro, something's making noise. Yeah, but we're running around. Somebody's right behind me, isn't it? Let's see if I can, whatever. I really don't remember what my FPS was on my old system before this. Like, I'm trying to look at the numbers and see if they're worse or a little bit better or the same as my old Ryzen system, but I really don't remember. To be honest, the FPS is probably the same, dude. Kind of crazy. Doesn't feel the same, dude. Like, I have issues. Maybe they really can just solve it with an Agiza update, man. Hopefully. I mean, they have to. That dude was running around with a knife. That was funny. I really don't have like any mouse pad space to play with. That's why I'm like doing this. So, you know, I'll have to change my sensitivity. But the game feels good. FPS doesn't feel like this is the max. Somebody's probably like right here, right? Is there somebody here or what? Yeah, I see a footstep. Should be down here. I guess he was cleared. Pop, reload. Let's see if somebody comes over here. Nope. Look again. Oh, getting shots fired from the right. Forward, 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 forward. Close that door. Should be a guy like right here. Footsteps right there. Alright, there. Alright, we'll push this corner, reload, and yeah, but it holds 2055 pretty well. I mean, it's not bad, dude. It's better than a Founders Edition. Founders Edition probably wouldn't even be holding this. I have the Founders attached to the 5950X right now. Now I'm curious. What map is this? Now I'll load up Warzone. I'll load up Warzone. Because if I get the same FPS, it doesn't change the fact that I have the mic issue. And it doesn't change the fact that I have, like, other issues that aren't perfect. I'll do solos and drop. I'll probably do, like, 2 or 3 drop and then have it recorded so I can look back at it. And then I know. Right now I have no fan for the CPUs, motherboard, VRMs. Let's see. System, MOS, CPU socket, T0, T1. For a second I thought it crashed. I've been upset. Damn, you got me. Alright, what did they give me this time? Oh, let's go down, let's go down, let's go down. You can see the power limit and all that, right? Let's focus on that. 353 watts there. I'm going to hospital right now, but we'll see what the FPS is. Damn, look at this. There are monkeys everywhere, bro. He jumped off so fast. Couldn't even let me kill him. It's a damn shame. Still gonna die. Dude, you're gonna die, kid. I'm not getting that much FPS like I thought I was. You know, that 5950X might have been working. It's like 154, all settings low, running around. I mean, it's Warzone, it doesn't really count. But I'm gonna land hospital. I'll do it like 2 more times, man. And then I'll hop on the 5950X system. Who's shooting at me? Look at him up there. Monkey, bro. Look at me. Look at me. I apologize if it gets too loud. I really can't hear and I need to know where I'm going. This is so jank playing with speakers facing the right direction. Like, it's coming, all the audio comes from my right. Hopefully it doesn't rape me up top. Hopefully I can sneak up on him. Nobody's up here. He should be in that building. I have to kill this kid. I'll still kill him. That'll scare him. Now he's gonna come peek. What a monkey. He actually came and looked. Let me just win this fight before somebody else comes and kills us. Bro, this guy's retarded, bro. Wow. Alright, hold on. We're gonna just test if my CPU is stable. Obviously, CPU Z isn't like the proper way to check it, but we're just gonna test her too, man. Holy sh. Microstar, memory, uncore frequency, RAM, graphics, expensive CPU. I hope nothing else is running in the background that lowers this score. Why is there a 10850K and not a 10900K in here? 9900KF. Okay, that's weird. I don't know why the 10850K is a lower single core. 6950. I think I did a 6850. I don't remember what I had. I don't know why it's not updated to have a 5950X in here, but stress the CPU. I don't know what the difference between bench and test means, but sure. Yeah, it's holding 5.1 gigahertz all cores, 4.8 gigahertz on the CAS, 77 degrees Celsius. Perfectly fine. I guess Intel really does bin these. If I really did delid this, I could push this 5.2. Uncore the ring, I could probably push the 4.9. Is there any way for me to stress the... No, there's no way to stress. What are we gonna do? Warzone crash, man. 50, dude. I'm not doing this. Trash. Always 3D clock. Always 3D clock means it always maintains. Yeah, now the loudest part of my PC is the CPU because the GPU is quiet. Damn, bro. That's pretty disappointing. Still crash. I'll do one more Warzone drop. I'll be back. Alright, recording a drop one more time. I'll put it into sRGB mode instead of this like weird G-Sync whatever esports mode. This is the color calibrated mode that the monitor comes with. TG259QN, the 360Hz from Asus. The Alienware one isn't here yet. Alright, that was a bit of a stutter, but we're gonna drop 200 FPS, 206. Remember, this is still Christmas Day, so when I'm recording these tests, oh my bad, I was supposed to drop hospital. Idiot. Damn, bro. Alright, well, I'm gonna try to make it to one of the locations. Dude, I didn't even make it to the airport. Is there a vehicle somewhere? Damn, bro, I really messed up. Dude, I was at the door and some dude literally came and opened the door before I opened the door. That's crazy. I don't know why he panicked. He should have just killed me. Oh, he probably thought I had a gun. That's cute. Oh, Jesus Christ. Dude, he scared the shit out of me. Wow, bro. I wasn't expecting that. Now he gets all my armor plates. Wow. Wow, he had green weapons too. He didn't even have good weapons. Alright, we'll see how much FPS I get in Gulag. The gulag. 231, 225, 160s. I mean, I don't really care about the max FPS. Ryzen probably wins at that. The 99%. What am I holding? Fucking idiot. No! He got me. I wanted to run around. Alright, that was terrible. But what FPS did I get? Actually, hold on. Let's spectate somebody. That still counts as FPS. Yeah, CPU utilization is like 40%. That stuff's fine. Yeah, my CPU package temps are like 55, 54. I mean, it's still lower than Ryzen, if I have to be honest. It's the funny part. It's actually the funny part. I was running on a 360 AIO. Like, Ryzen has to like push itself so hard. I know the IPC is higher, but it doesn't maintain all-core overclock. Still doesn't work better, like, in games. If it could hold the all-core overclock, and it didn't get that, if it just held it. GPU clock is 1920. This thing really is, wow, dude, this Strix is just terrible binning. Off to the next. Alright, we're turning this off.